Maraming salamat, Kultura Rizalia Dance Troupe. As we continue to celebrate excellence, we now move on to recognizing the individuals and organizations who have made significant contributions to society through the Gawad Rizaliano 2024.
Individual, organisasyon at inisyatibo na nagpapakita ng pambihirang kahusayan at nagbibigay ng malaking ambag sa iba't ibang sektor. This prestigious award recognizes those whose contribution have truly made an impact on the community, driving meaningful change and progress.
This is a celebration of the leaders, innovators, and change makers who have served as inspirations not only within RTU but across the broader community.
RTU reaffirms its commitment to fostering leadership that shapes a better future through this award.
Of the Gawad Rizaliano 2024.
Rizal Technological University proudly presents Gawad Rizaliano, a celebration of excellence, innovation, and leadership. This annual event honors individuals, organizations, and initiatives that have made significant contributions, driving progress and inspiring change in their communities and industries. In line with RTU's mission to produce competent and socially responsible leaders, Gawad Rizaliano recognizes the transformative power of groundbreaking ideas and visionary leadership. More than a celebration, Gawad Rizaliano embodies RTU's commitment to unity and the wider community. Join us at Gawad Rizaliano as we honor the people shaping a better future.
The Gawad Rizaliano is an annual celebration of excellence and leadership dedicated to recognizing individuals, organizations, and all initiatives that embody the core values and aspirations of Rizal Technological University. This event highlights transformative contributions that drive innovation, champion sustainability, and inspire communities to strive for progress and social
Collaboration, innovation, and social responsibility that define the university's mission. To recognize and celebrate excellence, to strengthen university-industry partnerships, to inspire the community, to promote the RTU philosophy, to encourage sustainable and innovative practices, to celebrate diversity and impact, and to foster a culture of excellence.
The awards are categorized to honor a diverse range of achievements and contributions across various fields and sectors. Gantimpala ng Kahusayan Rizaliano, Gawad Tagapagpauna ng Pamayanan, Gawad Pamumuno ng Kabataan, Gawad Tagapagtaguyod ng Kultura at Sining, Natatanging Gawad ng Pagtutulungan ng Industriya, at ang gawad ng pinakamataas na pagkilala. Nominations for these awards were based on the contributions of the colleges and offices under the division led by the following university leaders: Dr. Rodolfo L. Ducut, Vice President for Finance and Administration; Dr. Christine Y. Opolencia, Vice President for Academic and Student Affairs; Dr. Salvacion J. Pacheco, Vice President for Research, Innovation, and Extension Services; and Dr. Corazon D. Austria, Pasig Branch Chancellor.
Each division submitted endorsements with detailed justifications highlighting the nominees' significant achievements. These nominations were then rigorously evaluated by the Gawad Rizaliano core members to ensure alignment with the criteria of innovation, leadership, sustainability, and impact. For the Gawad ng pinakamataas na pagkilala, deliberations were conducted by the University Executive Committee, which includes all vice presidents. This collaborative process ensured the highest level of recognition was accorded to the most exemplary nominees. Through this thorough selection process, The Gawad Rizaliano 2024 works as a testament to RTU's commitment to celebrating excellence, fostering collaboration, and inspiring future leaders to make meaningful contributions to society.
For the first category,
Gantimpala ng Kahusayan Rizaliano.
Kalikasan celebrates Gantimpala ng Kahusayan Rizaliano recognizes exemplary individuals who have significantly contributed to progress in their fields, inspiring others through their outstanding achievements and leadership. Presenting the awardees for Gantimpala ng Kahusayan Rizaliano. Attorney Cecilio Joneda Duca. Dr. Fortunato Boy T. de la Peña. Dr. Jocelyn D.R. Andaya. Dr. Maria Cynthia Rose B. Bautista. Dr. Reynaldo B. Vea. Dr. Willie Tan Ong. Engineer Chuck G. Ebalo. Mr. Rove John Juarez. Mrs. Chiki Escarial Go. Miss Glenda de la Cruz. Miss Maria Elaine V. Baldelovar.
May we call on the Chancellor, Vice Presidents, and the University President to be here on stage. Let us welcome the distinguished awardees of Gantimpala ng Kahusayan Rizaliano. Attorney Cecilio Duca, EDD. He contributed much on the innovation and communization of social sciences and legal instruction in the country, paving amongst the lay people way for better, who has already authored 12 books and authored 3 books in the field of labor law, constitutional law, public international law, education, history, philosophy, and other disciplines. Once again, Attorney Cecilio Duca, EDD. Dr. Fortunato Boy T. de la Peña. He has made remarkable contributions to the engineering profession and public service. Distinguished leadership as the former Secretary of the Department of Science and Technology, DOST. Dr. Fortunato Boy T. de la Peña has exhibited distinguished leadership as the former Secretary of the Department of Science and Technology. Engineer Chuck Ebalo. He is a technical director and quality manager, instrumentation and control specialist incorporated, PICS past president, and current chairperson of the Certificate I and the UP NEC and technical expert for instrumentation and automation competency standards, TESDA. Mr. Rob John Juarez. He exemplifies exceptional leadership, innovation, and dedication to community and industry development. As the managing director of One Big Wash Enterprises, he has significantly contributed to the growth of the laundry business sector, introducing sustainable and Mrs. Chiqui Escarial Go. Chiqui Escarial Go is the CEO and the Chief Behavioral Strategies and Mansmith and Fielders Incorporated, the leading and the only advocacy-based marketing, sales, innovation, and strategy training and consultancy company in the Philippines. She is also the Vice Chair of Ventures Incorporated and Gosing Shan Ventures Incorporated, which are investment companies.
Once again, the distinguished awardees of Gantimpalan ng Kahusayan Rizaliano. Let us give them a warm round of applause.
Gawad Kampiyon ng Pagsulong ng Kalikasan celebrates individuals or organizations who have made exceptional contributions to environmental sustainability, eco-friendly practices, and sustainable development in their industries or communities. Presenting the awardees for Gawad Kampiyon ng Pagsulong ng Kalikasan. Century Pacific. Globe Telecom. Miss Earth by Category. Simula.
Let us welcome the distinguished awardees of Gawad Kampiyon ng Tulong ng Kalikasan. Century Pacific. Century Pacific is a leading food and beverage company in the Philippines, recognized for its robust environmental efforts, focusing on planet preservation and environmental impact management. The key achievements include 6% improvement in water intensity compared to the prior year, 31% improvement in water intensity compared to the baseline year, 2% reduction in energy intensity versus the prior year, 21% reduction in energy intensity compared to the baseline year, and these are under the planet preservation. Environmental impact management, 70% of the power requirements sourced from renewable energy at its peak compared to the previous year. 100% net zero plastic waste brought ahead of Extended Producer Responsibility EPR law. planted 168,000 mangrove trees in coastal areas in General Santos. 87% of materials used are from renewable sources, and 74% of waste diverted from disposal. Once again, the Century Pacific. Representative is Mr. Gabriel Pacifico, the project leader. For the second awardee, the Globe Telecom. Represented by Ms. Bernadette Rojas, Sustainability and Social Responsibility Manager. Globe Telecom anchored on its climate action strategy. Globe is committed to the protection and conservation of natural resources in line with the global environment's goals, net zero targets, circular processes, AA, for the second consecutive year, solidifying its position as an environment, social, and corporate governance leader in the telecom industry. Once again, the Globe Telecom.
Once again, the distinguished awardees for Gawad Kampiyon ng Pagsulong ng Kalikasan. Let's give them a warm round of applause.
At ang gawad ng pinakamataas na pagkilala. Ang gawad na pinakamataas na pagkilala is the highest award category conferred in this year's Gawad Rizaliano. Rizal Technological University is set to recognize individuals or organizations that have demonstrated unparalleled dedication, service, or contributions that have significantly shaped the university's progress and enriched its community. This recognition serves as a testament to RTU's deep honesty.
The award recognizes individuals or organizations who have generously provided financial support, facilities, or scholarships directly enabling RTU to fulfill its mission. Lifelong contributors, long-standing members of the RTU community who have dedicated decades of service or made sustained contributions to the university's development. Advocates or partners from external organizations who champion RTU's goals and ideals, helping establish strategic partnerships, industry collaborations, or community and inspire generations to contribute to the greater good of the university, the community, and society at large.
Ang pinakamataas na pagkilala ay iginagawad kay Dr. Jose Q. Macabalo.
From 1993 to 2010, his visionary leadership transformed Rizal Technological University. As the first university president, Dr. Jose Q. Macabalug, fondly known as Doc Mac, boldly steered the institution to greater heights. Stewardship, RTU became a beacon of research and innovation, earning recognition from external organizations. He championed quality research, incentivized faculty achievements, and fostered collaborations with industries. DocMac also celebrated excellence in sports, proudly supporting RTU's athletes who brought home numerous victories and honors. We present the gantimpala ng pinakamataas na pagkilala to Dr. Jose Q. Macabalug, whose enduring legacy continues to inspire the RTU community.
Once again, to our dear officials, pwede po muna tayong bumalik sa ating mga upuan.
Let us welcome the Himig Rizalia as they inspire us with their soulful rendition of This Is the Moment, a song that celebrates triumph.
This will be followed by Kapayapaan, a heartfelt piece that carries a powerful message of unity, love, and enduring hope for peace. Ladies and gentlemen, let us give a warm round of applause for Himig Rizalia.
No. This is the moment. This is the day when I sent all my doubts in demons on their way. Every endeavor I have made effort is coming into play. So here I am today. This is the moment. Alright, give me this moment, this precious chance. I gather up my past and make some sense at last. This is the moment when all of dawn, when all the dreaming, scheming and screaming become one. This is the day comes mine. For all these years I faced the world alone, and now my time has come to prove to them I made it on my own. This is the moment, my final test. Destiny beckoned, I never reckoned second best. I won't look back, I'm the best of them all. This is the moment, this way you're never, I stay forever with the gods. When I look back, I will always recall moment from moment. This is the moment.
Halina't sumayaw sa ilalim, sigaw ng sabay-sabay kapayapaan. Hey, hey, kapayapaan. Kulay man natin magkaiba, mundo natin ay isa. Maghawak-hawak na kamay, isigaw ng sabay-sabay kapayapaan. Kapayapaan. Halina't sumayaw sa ilalim ng araw, maghawak-hawak na kamay, isigaw ng sabay-sabay kapayapaan. Kapayapaan. Kulay man natin magkaiba, mundo natin ay isa. Maghawak-hawak na kamay, isigaw ng sabay-sabay kapayapaan. Kapayapaan. Lupang uhaw sa pag-ibig, naghihintay sa halik ng langit. Lupang uhaw sa pag-ibig, naghihintay sa halik ng langit. Ng kamay, isigaw ng sabay-sabay kapayapaan. Kapayapaan. Kulay man natin magkaiba, mundo natin ay isa. Maghawak-hawak na kamay, isigaw ng sabay-sabay kapayapaan. 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 Kapayapaan.
Maraming salamat, Himig Rizalia. Just to inform everyone, may natitira pa po tayong mga parangal at tayo po ay naka-Facebook Live. Kaya wag po nating kalimutang i-share and like ang ating official Facebook page, the RTU or Rizal Technological University Facebook page. Once again, may we call on our officials to please be here on stage.
For the next category,
Gawad Tagapagtaguyod ng Kultura at Sining.
Gawad Tagapagtaguyod ng Kultura at Sining recognizes individuals, groups, or organizations who contribute to the promotion and revitalization of Filipino arts, culture, and talents. Presenting the awardees for Gawad Tagapagtaguyod ng Kultura at Sining. Mrs. Raydora F. Flordeliza. SB 19. Spit, Manila.
Let us welcome the distinguished awardee of Gawad Tagapagtaguyod ng Kultura at Sining, Mrs. Raydora F. Flordeliza. Mrs. Raydora F. Flordeliza is a former Cultural Affairs Office Director, began establishing the Teatro Rizalia in Pasig Campus and brought to Boni Campus. Her commitment and dedication in advancing culture and arts is sensational. The local, national, and international engagements of the troupe members demonstrate the development of their skills and talents over the years and remarkably brought the university name worldwide. Once again, Mrs. Raydora F. Flordeliza. Let's give her a warm round of applause.
At this juncture, let's hear the acceptance message of Mrs. Raydora F. Flordeliza.
Thank you very much to RTU community, to RTU administration. This was unexpected talaga. The intention to attend. Not because I do not want to get the award, but because I am not ready. I feel that I am not ready to face the audience in this wheelchair. This is the first time really, after 3 years, 2.5 years bedridden, and now, as you can see, kahit papano nakakatayo na. Kaya, ayoko sana talagang pumunta. Sinabi ko sa kanila yan. But because of these people, accept it, accept it. I love RTU, I love teatro, I love culture, I love this service, I love it so much. So at first, hindi ko matanggap na paralyzed ako from hips down. I really could not accept that because alam niyo naman, wala akong ginawa dito sa RTU kundi gumalaw ng gumalaw. But I do not have any sentiments of being in service for that long. But sabi ko sa sarili ko, parang hindi naman ako para sa napakaliit na nagawa ko for RTU. So I really would like to thank everyone from the bottom of my heart. I know even my children mas na-feel pa nga ng mga anak ko na sila yung nag-post, ako hindi. Believe me, up to this point in time, yung pong mga nag-congratulate sa akin, hindi ko pa po napapasalamatan. Kasi hindi pa mag-sink in sa akin talaga. But from all the presidents I've been with, of course, si Doc Macabalog, who had given me the first trust during that time. Of course, Dr. Torres, Dr. Yanko, of course, thank you very much. I really thank each and every one of you. I really cannot forget this. And this is historic in nature. And who could ever say that such a little me would be worth this kind of award? But then thank you and thank you and thank you very much from the entire family.
Once again, Mrs. Raydora F. Flordeliza.
Once again, a warm round of applause to Mrs. Raydora Flordeliza. pamumuno ng kabataan.
Gawad Pamumuno ng Kabataan. Given to young leaders or individuals who have demonstrated exceptional vision, leadership, and impact in their respective fields, setting an example for their peers. Presenting the awardees for Gawad Pamumuno ng Kabataan. Honorable Charisse Marie Abalos Vargas. Mayor Mark Don Victor B. Alcala. Mayor Victor Maria Regis Vico Soto. Mr. Patrick Manuel. Mr. Rainier S. Labic.
Let us welcome the distinguished awardees of Gawad Pamumuno ng Kabataan. Honorable Charisse Marie Abalos Vargas. Honorable Charisse Marie Abalos Vargas is named as the #1 elected councilor of the city's 1st district for 2 consecutive terms. Former Councilor Charisse held significant posts in the City Council of Mandaluyong, including the role of the 10th Council's Majority Flood Leader. She is also the chairman of the City Council's Trade, Commerce and Industry Committee, Appropriations Committee, and the Well and Means Committee. She is also the co-chairman of Mandaluyong's Micro Small Medium Enterprise Development Council, the Vice Chairman of Mandaluyong's Gender and Development Council, and the President of the Girl Scouts of the Philippines Mandaluyong Chapter. Once again, Honorable Charisse Marie Abalos Vargas. Mr. Patrick Manuel. Mr. Patrick Manuel is a fellow of the Future Bridging Leaders Program of the AIM Team Energy Center for Bridging Leaderships. He founded the Pantawid COVID mobilize youth volunteers and other stakeholders to donate and participate in relief operations to poor communities in Metro Manila. Pantawid COVID is also a beneficiary of Puhon, a fundraising initiative of the band Ben and Ben, co-presented by Team Energy Foundation and AIM Team Energy Center for Bridging Leadership. Once again, Mr. Patrick Manuel. Mr. Rainier S. Ladi. A transformative leader, professional versatility, and public advocacy, this distinguished individual exemplifies excellence in the fields of psychology, education, and media. Holding a master's degree in clinical psychology from the Far Eastern University and a Bachelor of Science in Psychology from Rizal Technological University, he possesses a strong academic foundation complemented by a wealth of professional and extracurricular achievements. Once again, Mr. Rainier S. Ladi. Once again, the distinguished awardees of Gawad Pamumuno ng Kabataan. Let's give them a warm round of applause. At ang Gonzalez II to be represented by Ms. Lee Chan, the Public Information and Scholarship Office.
Stands proud today as a beacon of academic excellence and community empowerment, made possible by the steadfast dedication and visionary leadership of Congressman Neptali Boyet F. Gonzalez II. Congressman Gonzalez played a vital role in RTU's transformation from a college into a university. His commitment to RTU is seen in every corner of the campus, from modern facilities to latest project, a 10-story library and gymnasium. Rizal Technological University proudly honors Congressman Neptali M. Gonzalez II with a gawad ng pinakamataas na pagkilala for transformative leadership and unwavering commitment to education and public service.
Once again, Congressman Neptali M. Gonzalez II to be represented by Ms. Lee Chan, the Public Information and Scholarship Office.
Once again, Ms. Lee Chan, the Public Information and Scholarship Office.
Magandang gabi po sa lahat. Magandang gabi po sa lahat. Sa ngalan po ng ating kongresista, kagalang-galang Neptali Medina Gonzalez, taos-puso ko pong tinatanggap ang pagkilalang ito. Makakaasa kayo na ang aming opisina ay mananatiling bukas para sa paglilingkod at pagkalinga para sa lahat. Muli, maraming salamat RTU.
And the next awardee for gawad ng pinakamataas na pagkilala, the City Government of Mandaluyong to be...
The city government of Mandaluyong has been a cornerstone of Rizal Technological University's growth and success. Through the city government's empowering assistance, RTU has not only flourished, but has also gained global recognition as a partner in nation building. Together, we've shared the vision of creating a sustainable, safe, and thriving community for all. During the challenges of COVID-19, the city government's steadfast support became RTU's lifeline. This and discipline, fostering initiatives that uplift the lives of its citizens while empowering institutions like RTU to thrive. RTU's gratitude to the city government of Mandaluyong goes beyond the gawad ng pinakamataas na pagkilala. It is a lasting pledge to stand united in a shared dream to make Mandaluyong a beacon of progress and excellence.
Gawad ng pinakamataas sa pagkilala ay iginagawad sa City Government Mandaluyong. Bigyan po natin muli ng isang masigabong palakpakan.
Good evening, esteemed guests. I am here on behalf of our good Mayor Ben Abalos, and I would just like to say that it is with immense pride that we accept hearts. Thank you. In its heart of hearts, education has always been a big priority of the city. And likewise, it was during the time of then Mayor Benhar Abalos that said that gusto man ng karamihan mag-aral dahil sa kahirapan ng buhay, hindi nila ma-achieve yung grades na kailangan nila. And that was one of the first innovative programs that Mandaluyong had with RTU na mabigyan ng pagkakataon yung mga hindi kaya mag-aral pero kahit hindi nila kaya ma-achieve yung grade, basta mabigyan ng pagkakataon. It was RTU that opened its doors to that program. So, even if State University na po and many other, marami pong natanggap na scholars ng school na to, and we have RTU to thank for that. So maraming salamat po muli at magandang gabi po sa inyo.
Maraming salamat po sa City Government of Mandaluyong. Sa gabing puno ng pagdiriwang at pagpaparangal, atin namang tunghayan ng isang makulay na pagtatanghal na magpapakita ng kagandahan at mayamang kultura ng ating bansa.
Bago tayo dumako sa natitira at naiiwan pa nating mga parangal, once again, let us welcome the Kultura Rizalya Dance Troupe as they captivate with Ngedek, a dance that symbolizes grace, strength, and cultural pride. Once again, the RTU Cultura Rizalia Dance Troupe. For the next category, Gawad para sa pagpapalakas ng pamayanan.
Gawad para sa pagpapalakas ng pamayanan honors organizations that have spearheaded initiatives aimed at the awardees for Gawad para sa pagpapalakas ng pamayanan. Bureau of Jail Management and Penology, Mandaluyong City. Department of Social Welfare and Development, Ina Healing Center. Gawad Kalinga Foundation. Habitat for Humanity Philippines Foundation Incorporated. Mandaluyong Manpower Technical Vocational Training Center. No One in Need Foundation Incorporated. Pasig City CSO Academy.
To our officials, please be here on stage. Let us all welcome the awardees of Gawad para sa pagpapalakas ng pamayanan. Bureau of Jail Management and Penology, Mandaluyong. To be received by Senior Jail Officer 3, Timoteo Martinez, Chief WDS.
Yung City, kasapi kasama sa pag-unlad program under the College of Education.
Department of Social Welfare and Development, Ina Healing Center. To be received by Ms. Maribeth Salanas, OIC, and Mr. Bienvenido B. Barbosa, Assistant Regional Director.
Department of Social Welfare and Development, Ina Healing Center, a grief and bereavement intervention program under the Department of Psychology.
Gawad Kalinga Foundation, to be received by Ms. Zara May Makadbakat and Ms. Shane Francisco.
Gawad Kalinga Foundation, the grassroots or football futsal program under the Institute of Human Kinetics.
Habitat for Humanity Philippine Foundation Incorporated, to be received by Mr. Ariel Nones, Operations Manager.
Habitat for Humanity Philippines Foundation Incorporated, building decent, durable, efficient, and affordable homes in partnership with various departments under the College of Engineering.
No One in Need Foundation Incorporated, to be received by Mr. Georgie Ibuna and Ms. Donalyn Colala, Program Coordinator.
No One in Need Foundation Incorporated is an active partner of RTU in Proyektong Kabalikat, a university-wide donation drive, and with multiple extension programs in collaboration with various colleges.
And the last awardee for this category, the Pasig City CSO Academy, to be received by Mr. Paul Angelo A. Sinogat, Program Director, and Ms. Nina Sinogat, Director for Operations.
Pasig City CSO Academy, Project Make, Mentoring and Knowledge Empowerment of Pasig City Civil Society Organizations under the Department of Political Science, College of Community Development Incorporated, Department of the Interior and Local Government, Pasig Field Office, and Rizal Technological University.
Once again, the awardees for Gawad para sa pagpapalakas ng pamayanan. Congratulations to our awardees of Gawad para sa pagpapalakas ng pamayanan. For the next category,
Gawad,
natatanging gawad ng pagtutulungan ng industriya.
Natatanging gawad ng industry sectors that have led to significant research, development, community, and academic benefits. Presenting the awardees for Natatanging Gawad ng Pagtutulungan ng Industriya, accrediting agency of chartered colleges and universities in the Philippines. Civil Service Commission, Field Office, Makati. Com Builders and Technology. Commission on Audit NCR. Department of Trade and Industry, Philippine Trade Training Center. Goldilocks Bake Shop Incorporated. Government Procurement Policy Board. Jobs 180. LG Electronics Philippines Incorporated. NPO and Child. Association of State Universities and Colleges. Philippine National Police Mandaluyong. R.S. Bernaldo and Associates. Wadwani Foundation.
Natatanging gawad ng pagtutulungan ng industriya. Civil Service Commission, to be received by Mr. Rogelio Aliscal.
This year, the Civil Service Commission Field Office Makati is honored with the natatanging gawad ng pagtutulungan ng industriya for its unwavering support of RTU's public sector readiness programs. Through initiatives focusing on civil employment, public service ethics, and support for government employees, the CSC has strengthened RTU's administrative.
Com Builders and Technology, to be received by Honorable Councilor Boyet P. Bacar. To be received by Mrs. Celia E. Bernales, COA Supervising Audit, Mr. Christian Luis T. Rivero, Audit Team Leader, and Ms. Jezebeth A. De Vera, Audit Team Member.
This year, the Commission on Audit NCR is honored with the natatanging gawad ng pagtutulungan ng industriya for its partnership with RTU in enhancing governance practices. By providing administrative guidance, COA has played a crucial role in upholding transparency and accountability in university operations.
The Department of Trade and Industry Philippine Trade Training Center, to be received by Ms. Fe Avila, OIC Executive Director, and Ms. Joselle Mamaril, OIC Executive Strategy Management.
This year, the Department of Trade and Industry Philippine Trade Training Center is honored with the natatanging gawad ng pagtutulungan ng industriya for its extensive collaboration with RTU in developing trade skills curricula. TC has empowered the community members to excel in the competitive global market.
The Goldilocks Bake Shop INC, to be received by Mr. Randy Javier, Talent Acquisition Manager, and Ms. Nicole Ann de la Cruz. Jobs 180, to be received by Ms. Kim Chua, the Managing Director. It's Mr. Kim Chua.
This year, Jobs 180 is honored with the natatanging gawad ng pagtutulungan ng industriya for its commitment to equipping online platform, Jobs 180 has consistently bridged the gap between academia and the professional world, empowering RTU students to confidently navigate their career journeys.
The LG Electronics Philippines Incorporated, to be received by Ms. Ana Marie Bernabat, HR Manager. The NPO and Child, to be received by Mr. Kiano Romero, Secretary General.
This year, NPO and Child is honored with the natatanging gawad ng pagtutulungan ng industriya for its dedication to international partners, have created opportunities for academic and personal growth, showcasing the transformative power of education.
The Philippine National Police Mandaluyong, to be received by Police Lieutenant Colonel Robert Del Ros Reyes, Assistant Chief of Police for Admin.
This year, the Philippine National Police Eastern Police District is honored with the natatanging gawad with RTU in safety training and community building initiatives, has created a strong foundation for peace and order within the university and the community.
The RS Bernaldo and Associates, to be received by Ms. Rose Bernaldo, Managing Partner, and Ms. Mea Omanya, HR Head. The Wadwani Foundation, to be received by Ms. Amormia Rosales, Senior Program Manager.
This year, Wadwani Foundation is honored with the natatanging gawad ng pagtutulungan ng industriya for its groundbreaking work in fostering entrepreneurial thinking. By offering dynamic online courses and mentorship programs, the foundation has been instrumental in developing entrepreneurial competencies among RTU students and faculty.
And the last awardee for natatanging gawad ng pagtutulungan ng industriya, the Government Procurement Policy Board, to be received by Ms. Laura Alvarez.
This year, the Government Procurement Policy Board is honored with the natatanging gawad ng pagtutulungan ng industriya for its dedication to upholding that RTU remains compliant with procurement laws, safeguarding institutional efficiency and ethical practices.
Once again, the awardees of natatanging gawad ng pagtutulungan ng industriya. at ang huling nagkamit ng pinakamataas na pagkilala. Ang pinakamataas na pagkilala ay iginagawad sa Emerson.
Rizal Technological University and Emerson have shared a common vision to empower aspiring engineers through industry-relevant education and training. This partnership, initiated during the term of Dr. Jose Macabayuk, has thrived under the leadership of Dr. Jesus Rodrigo Torres and President Maria Eugenia Yanco. Through Emerson's generosity, RTU students benefit from scholarships, advanced technical training. RTU celebrates Emerson Process Management for its pivotal role in nation building and its enduring partnership in uplifting technical education. Together, we build a brighter future. Rizal Technological University proudly bestows the gantimpala ng pinakamataas na pagkilala to Emerson Process Management, a steadfast partner in shaping the future of engineering excellence.
Once again, ang pinakamataas na pagkilala ay iginagawad sa Emerson. Ito ay tatanggapin ni Ms. Janet Serrano, Director Talent Acquisition, and Ms. Ruth Garlando, HR Manager.
Ladies and gentlemen, distinguished faculty, dear students, fellow awardees, and honored guests, it is with gratitude and humility that we accept this award, the Gawad Rizaliano 2024, for Emerson and RTU's partnership in advancing excellence in engineering and fostering innovation. This is a testament to the collective efforts and unwavering dedication of so many individuals in Emerson, Manila, and we are deeply honored to receive this award on Emerson's behalf. This generation of problem solvers have been a constant source of our motivation. We would like to extend our heartfelt thanks again to the Executive Committee of the University for this incredible honor. To the brilliant students of this university, this award is a celebration of your potential and your future. You are the driving force behind our endeavors. Finally, as we celebrate this event together with all the awardees tonight, let us reaffirm our commitment to excellence and innovation in education. We will continue to push our boundaries to inspire and nurture. Salamat and magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat.
Maraming salamat din po sa Emerson. Muli isang masigabong palakpakan para sa ating Gawad Rizaliano 2024 awardees. Ang inyong mga kahangahangang tagumpay at kontribusyon ay nagsisilbing inspirasyon sa na ang ating pinapahalagahan dito sa Rizal Technological University.
Your leadership and commitment to making a difference are the cornerstones of progress. We are proud to honor you tonight, and we hope your achievements continue to inspire future generations of leaders and change makers.
As we celebrate these remarkable individuals and organizations, let us take a moment to reflect on the values of excellence and service that guide us.
And now, to formally conclude this meaningful evening, let us welcome the Vice President for
Sa
ginagalang na lupon ng mga rehente, sa ating Pangulo, sa kapwa ko mga ikalawang Pangulo, pinakapipitagang mga awardees, mga faculty, mga administrador, at iba pang stakeholders ng universidad, maganda at mapagpalang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Nasaksihan natin ngayon ang State of the University Address ng ating minamahal na Pangulo. Nagbalik tanaw sa bawat isa sa atin ang mga hamon sa paglalakbay na ating tinahak. Sa pagbabalik tanaw na ito ng dahil sa pagtutulungan, pagsasakripisyo, at hindi magmamaliw na pangarap ng bawat Rizaliano. Mula 2019, hindi tayo napagod mangarap na paunti-unting abutin ang mga bagay na sa tingin natin ay imposible. Ngunit napatunayan natin na kaya nating gawing posible ang mga imposibleng pangarap. Sa kabila ng mga di matapos-tapos na pagbabago ng panahon, ay hindi rin natatapos ang ating pagsusumikap na magpatuloy at mangarap para sa ating universidad. Hindi tayo napagod na palakasin at pakikipagtulungan ay unang hakbang sa pagtupad ng pangarap. Ating alalahanin, walang nakaabot ng pangarap nang hindi nahirapan. Napagtagumpayan natin at nalagpasan ang bawat balakid ng dahil sa walang sawang suporta ng ating mga katuwang na ahensya, industriya at komunidad. Sa mga ginawaran ngayong gabi, ng magandang ugnayan ng RTU sa mga komunidad na lagpas sa pader nito, kayo ang patunay ng pangunguna sa inobasyon na hindi natakot tumuklas at maghanap ng bago. Kayo ang kampiyon sa pagsusulong ng at sining na hindi napagod magtanghal ng realidad ng buhay at magpalalim ng imahinasyon. Kayo ang namuno sa kabataan na hindi nagsawang bumuo ng mga programang mapagpamulat at mapanglahok. Kayo ang nagpalakas sa komunidad na hindi nagsawang makipamuhay at maghangad ng mga programang dekalidad. Kayo ang nanguna sa industriya na hindi pinagkait ang karunungan at teknolohiya sa inyong mga kumpanya. At higit sa lahat, nasa inyo ang pinakamataas na pagkilala sapagkat kayo ang katuparan malayo pa. Matapos ang gabing ito, sa isang pangarap, tayo naniniwala. Tayo ay lilipad at ang lahat makakakita. Ayon nga sa kanta, hindi pa yun yung kanta, ito pa lang. Patuloy tayong mangangarap, patuloy tayong maniniwala. Hindi tayo titigil hanggat ating makakaya. Unti-unting mararating, tagumpay natin makikita. Para sa mga Rizaliano, patuloy ang pangarap. Maraming salamat po, Kapwa Rizaliano, Pandayang Rizalia, at maraming salamat po sa inyong pagdalo.
Maraming salamat po, Dr. Opulencia. You him dare to dream. Sa pag-awit ng RTU hymn, muli nating ilagay ang nakasaradong kamay sa kaliwang bahagi ng ating dibdib.
Matimyas na panaad sa Pandayang Rizalya, the State of the University President's Address, at ang pagdiriwang ng Gawad Rizaliano sa taong 2024.
Ang paglabas ng mga kulay.
Muli, ito ang
Gawad Rizaliano 2024! Congratulations, RTU!